Hello all, welcome to the channel. So today's problem, we want to create a report for display the deposit details. So we have two tables, customer and deposit. Customer table contains customer ID, first name, last name, email, date of birth and gender. And in the deposit table contains deposit number, customer ID, that is the 4 digit, and deposit date and deposit amount. We want to write a query to display the deposit details. So here we want to create a store procedure for display deposit details. And the parameter, one is gender and the other one is from date and to date. That is the deposit date. Okay. So we will pass mail, then we want to display only mail customers with the deposit details. And we are passing female, then we want to display female's deposit accounts. We are passing gender as an empty, then we want to display all deposit details. Okay. Okay. Now we can. So first, we can just declare. Okay. First we want to declare the parameters. Okay. So first we want the gender. Okay. So here we can give a gender. You can just create like this, and after that we can create procedure. Okay. And here we can give marker of 20. Okay. First we can give an empty string. Next, we want to display and we want to pass from date and to date also. Okay. Copy this. And from date, that is date. Come on. Next we want to date. That also date. Okay. Here we can give some date. Okay. You can just check the deposit date. The smallest date is 2020. So here we can give 2010. Okay. So 2010. Next we can give 1 month. Okay. From first month, first date. Okay. Due date is we can give 20, 24, 01, 01. Okay. So next we want to, how we can get this deposit details? We can join deposit and the customer, right? So we will get the output. So first we can select star from deposit. deposit D, we can give an alias name, join customer. Customer C on A dot D dot, sorry, D dot customer ID is equal to D dot D dot customer ID is equal to C dot customer. Okay, then just execute this query. Now we are getting the join results. Okay, this is the deposit details, deposit table, and this is the customer, right? So here we want to check conditions where we can just check the date part first. Okay, so first we want deposit date, right? Deposit date. We can give between also. Okay, deposit date. Otherwise we can give greater than from date. So deposit date greater than from date, and deposit date less than or equal to due date. Okay, we can just execute this. Now we can check. So now we are getting records. Okay, now we want, if we want to pass gender, okay, then we can give some symbol if statement. If at gender equal to empty string, then we can give begin end. Else what we can give, we can check this gender also. Just copy paste and gender equal to customer dot gender. Gender is equal to gender. Okay, so the gender is empty, then it will return all rows. We can just check. gender is empty, so we will get all output. When given mail, we want to get only mails deposit. We can give an email, then we will get mail. Okay. So now we don't want to all data. Deposit number, customer ID, first name, last name, email, and deposit date, and deposit. Okay, we can give a gender. So deposit number, we want to get deposit number. Next we want customer ID. Customer ID means d.customer ID. Okay. And c.firstName. We can give first name only. Okay, the d.customer ID means deposit and customer table also customer ID is that's right. Name, last name, email, gender. Okay, next we want details from the deposit date and deposit amount. Okay, deposit date, comma, deposit amount. You can just execute. Now we are getting the output. We don't want this deposit date like the time. We want to just date on. Okay, so here we can use cost. Cost deposit date as, so this is the date, right? So we can do as deposit. Just execute this query. Okay, so same thing needed here also. So here we will give mail. We want to get same output. Okay, so here you can copy this and paste it. Okay, now also we are getting the output. Okay, so now we want to create the stop procedure. Okay, so here we can press this, create procedure. Procedure deposit details. Open the brace. You can remove that picture part. Okay, this also we can remove. Default to this also. As Here we can give one begin. Begin. We can close with. Okay. So create a procedure name. We passing the parameters. Okay. No commas. Okay. So we can just execute this query. The procedure created. We can check this data. Execute procedure. First we can pass parameter gender and empty string. Okay, we are passing an empty string, and deposit date we are passing 2015 0102 2021 0101. We just execute this. Now we are getting for codes. We can pass mail, then for codes. Female, we are getting one record. We can just pass 2020 7 20 2020 7 20. So we will get 1 2 these 3 records, right? You can just execute this query. Okay, now we are not getting. Okay, that is female. You can give an empty string. Okay. We'll check that procedure. Here we can just check alter. We can just comment this condition. Just execute. Once more we can check. Now we are getting the data. Okay. So we are passing 27 2027 2027 20. Okay. So what is the issue? We can check, because the deposit date contains these times, right? So we'll pass the date only, so it will conflict. That's why. So we want to change these where conditions. Here we can check where cast as date. Cast as date. Just execute. Now we can once more we can check. Now we are ready. Okay. You can check with the between also. Okay. Okay, we have given me. Then we will get true of course. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Please practice. Okay.